Hello, it's GUMY. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Netflix account. You'll see it's really very simple, and on top of that, I'm going to share a tip with you to get your subscription much cheaper. So if you're ready, let's get started. So here I'm showing you on my phone because it's easier for me and I think it's easier for you too. But the process is the same if you sign up on your computer, your television, etc. Because anyway, once you've signed up for Netflix, you get your login details and you can log in on your computer, your television, or your phone with those same credentials. So for me, it's just more convenient to do it directly on my phone for the video. So to create an account, you can either do it directly on the netflix.com website. So you just need to search for Netflix in your browser's search bar, like Google, for example, and then click on the first official Netflix link. Normally, if you don't have an account yet, you can directly enter the email address you want to use to sign up for Netflix. I'm entering mine, and if you click on Get Started, you'll be able to set up your account. So you click on Next. Next, you'll need to set a password, so make sure to use a strong password. Then, you can click on Next. After that, you'll need to choose your plan. The price will vary depending on which country you live in. You should know that unfortunately there is no longer a free trial on Netflix. A few years ago, there was a free trial available for a month or 30 days where you could use Netflix without having to pay or choose a subscription. So it was pretty convenient, but now it's no longer available. I really searched everywhere, and even on Netflix's official website, it states that there is no longer a free trial. So you have to pay in order to watch videos on Netflix. You can see that it's relatively expensive, especially if you want the high definition 4K option, etc. If you want to pay that price, feel free to click Next and then complete your registration. But I'm going to share a tip that I've personally been using for over a year, which lets you get a Netflix premium account in high quality 4K for only €3 a month. It's thanks to the GamesGo platform, as you can see here on the screen. I've put the link to access the GamesGo platform in the description right here, or in the first pinned comment below the video. You just have to click on it and you'll be automatically redirected to the GamesGo platform. So what exactly is GamesGo? It's a platform that provides family Netflix accounts that can be shared with several different users around the world. Up to 5 people can share the account. So rest assured, you will have your own dedicated profile on Netflix with your own series and personalized movie recommendations. So it will be just like having your own Netflix premium account. It's just that since you'll be sharing the different Netflix subscriptions within this family group, it allows you to get a big discount on the prices you can see here on the screen, €3.77 per month, to ultimately have the same Netflix premium as if you subscribe to it yourself on the official Netflix website. You'll be able to use this Netflix subscription from GamesGo on all your devices, whether it's your mobile phone, your computer, or even directly on your television. It will be the same account. I've been using GamesGo for over a year now, and it allows me to have Netflix everywhere at home in high definition, in 4K, for a really low price. So it's really a win-win. I'm extremely satisfied. That's why I'm sharing this tip with you. If you ever want to sign up for Netflix with GamesGo, it's really very simple. You just need to click on the sign up button at the top right. You can sign up directly with a Gmail account, a Facebook account, or just a regular email address. I'm going to log in with my Gmail account. It's super fast. I'm logged in. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the subscriptions available on the platform. You can see that there's Netflix, but also plenty of others like Spotify, etc. All of these are at truly unbeatable prices. To subscribe to Netflix or another service, you just click on the Netflix subscription. Then you click on Join Now. Next, you'll be able to choose the length of the Netflix subscription you want. The longer the duration you choose, the bigger the discount you'll get on the price. For example, if you choose a 12-month Netflix subscription, it will only cost you €3.75 per month. It's really a huge discount compared to the regular price of a Netflix subscription, even though it's exactly the same whether you do it on netflix.com or on GamesGo. Next, you can click on the Enable Automatic Renewal option if you want, so that it renews automatically. That way, you don't have to worry about renewing your Netflix subscription as soon as it ends. And on top of that, it gives you an extra discount on the price. You can see that it goes down to €3.67 per month. And if you want an even bigger discount, you can enter my promo code, which is GUMY, right here, and apply it. Then, you can see that now the subscription drops to €3.49 per month. So it's really a great deal. Once that's done, all you have to do is click on Proceed to Payment. You can pay with any credit or debit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, etc. The payment process is very easy and secure. Once the payment is complete, you'll immediately receive your login and password to access the GamesGo Netflix account. So you'll be able to log in at the same time on your mobile phone, your computer, your television, and directly access all the Netflix series and movies you want in the language of your choice. If you ever have an issue, there's an after-sales service section where you can chat directly with support, which is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So the people at GamesGo will be able to answer any questions or problems you might have. I've been using GamesGo for over a year now and I've really had no issues at all. Everything went very smoothly, everything works perfectly. I'm really very satisfied. That's why I'm sharing this tip with you. As you can see, it allows you to save a lot of money, especially on these monthly subscriptions like Netflix, but also many others. So there you go, don't hesitate to use it. In any case, it's all benefits. You can ask me any questions you want in the comments. This was GUMY. Ciao.